A lot of people, they want to sell their information. And this is what I like to explain to them. Organic platforms, they're not platforms to give people a step-by-step. They're more like, let me show you a little bit about how I can help you. Here's a little golden nugget. Social media platforms, organic platforms, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all these platforms that we have access to, they're not platforms to give people roadmaps. They're not platforms to give people a step-by-step. They're more like, let me show you a little bit about how I can help you. Here's a little golden nugget. Here's a little piece of content. Here's something else random that's going to make you better. Whether you're in real estate or you're a health coach or you're a business owner, a marketing expert like myself, a tax advisor, it doesn't matter. You can find stories on every single one of these niches and how it's done. They just give out little pieces of golden nuggets, anywhere from 2 minutes to 10 minutes to 12 minutes sometimes. That particular content right there is not meant to handle an entire problem, but one individual thing that somebody might be looking for. If somebody has information to sell, that information is more problem solving, step-by-step, a course check sheet, get this one done, and then this next one, and now you can go into other paid platforms like Kajabi or Thinkific or any of these education platforms that you can create your course inside. And if you've done a good job of providing value, like in my case, I do marketing every single day. I'm posting content on YouTube every day, on Facebook, Instagram. I walk the talk myself, and I'm still able to sell my digital programs. Why? Because my digital programs are taking people by the hand and taking more responsibility for them step by step. So that's the value. The free content is like random golden nuggets. The paid content is individual, taking step-by-steps, problem solving for the person along the way. And we also have that for my dad. We created a university. It's called 𝗟𝗢𝗥𝗡. And somebody that wants to take their health solving to their next level, or they want to solve individual problems, then we have paid courses that they can buy, which is an additional thing that you can do for your organization. If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.